This tutorial will cover keyboard shortcuts that you can use when browsing digital objects through the image viewer. Firstly, we will need to activate the image viewer by clicking into the viewing pane. S moves the digital object up. W moves the digital object down. A moves the digital object to the right. D moves the digital object to the left. 0 resets the digital object, bringing it back to its original position. Shift plus the up arrow zooms in. The plus key will also work. Shift plus the down arrow zooms out. The minus key will also work. In some objects, you may come across an image that's oriented differently than the others. R rotates the digital object clockwise. One nice thing is that the image viewer retains this orientation for subsequent images. Shift plus R, capital R, rotates the digital object counterclockwise. F flips the digital object horizontally, mirroring the object, in case you ever want to do that. Have fun with these shortcuts!